Hello everyone! So today's lesson, we're going to discuss about set. And when we say set, it is a well-defined collection of distinct objects or ideas called elements. And when we say well-defined set, it is a set with an exact object or element. Next is, we're going to identify if the given example is well-defined or not. Number 1, we have the set of months in a year. This is an example of well-defined set since we can give the exact elements of months in a year. We have the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Next one, we have the set of even integers from 0 to 20. This is an example of well-defined set since we can give the exact even integers from 0 to 20. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Next one, we have the best three songs of 2018. This is not well-defined set since we cannot give the best three songs of 2018. Maybe that song is good for me, but for you it's not. Next one, we have the favorite hamburger restaurants in the state. We cannot give the exact favorite hamburger restaurants in the states. Maybe for you, that restaurant or that hamburger restaurant is your favorite, but for others it's not. Okay? That's why it is not well-defined set. How about this one? Set of honest person in the government. This is an example of not well-defined set since we cannot give the exact person who is honest in the government. Next one, we have the set of colors in a rainbow. This is an example of well-defined set since we can give the exact elements of colors in a rainbow. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. That's why this is an example of well-defined set. This time, we're going to apply set using numbers. Given the universal set and the symbol for the universal set is U. The given universal set is the counting numbers from 1 to 15. Therefore, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So let's give the elements of set A. The given set A is set of even numbers. So we're going to identify the even numbers from the universal set 1 to 15. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Next one, set of multiples of 5. So from the universal set, we're going to identify the multiples of 5. We have 5, 10, and 15. Next one, letter C, the set of odd numbers. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 14. So that is how to identify or give the elements of given sets from the universal sets. This time, we're going to discuss about cardinal number of a set. But what is a cardinal number? When we say cardinal number, is the total number of elements in a given set, and it is denoted by small n. Letter A, we have set of even numbers, and we gave 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 elements in set A. Therefore, the cardinality of set A is 7. Next one, we have letter B. Set of multiples of 5. So we have multiples of 5, 5, 10, and 15. And we have 3 elements. Therefore, the cardinality of set is 3. Letter C. The set of odd numbers. Set of numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Therefore, cardinality of set C is 8. This time, we're going to differentiate empty set or null set, equal sets, and equivalent sets. First one is the empty set or null set. When we say empty set or null set, it is a set that contains no elements, and it is denoted from the Greek letter P or by empty braces. So let's have an example. From the counting numbers from 1 to 15, we're going to identify set A, which is set of even numbers greater than 20. Do you see numbers greater than 20 from the universal set? Okay, there's no elements, right? Therefore, the elements of set A is empty set or null set. Letter B. Set of negative integers. From the universal set, there's no negative integers. That's why the element of set B is empty set or null set. Next, we have the equal sets. From the word equal, the elements are equal. For example, we have set A, x, y, z. From set B, we have x, y, z. And we can say that set A and set B are equal sets, since they have the same elements and they have the same cardinal number. The third one is the equivalent sets. Set A, we have x, y, z, which is these are letters. Letter B, we have 2, 4, 6, we have numbers. And letter C, we have pencil, paper, and eraser, which are things, right? We can say that A, B, and C are equivalent sets since they have the same total number of elements or they have the same cardinal number. So the cardinal number of set A, B, and C is 3. So this time, we're going to discuss about union and intersection. We have union. When we say union, just combine all the total elements of the given set. But there's no repetition for the elements. For example, we have set A, set B, and set C. We're going to identify the elements of set A union B. Okay? So we're going to identify the elements of A and elements of B. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 15. As you can see, there's a element in A and B which is 10. But then, we just write only one 10 in A union B. Okay? There's no repetition of numbers. Next one is we have A union C. What are the elements of A and elements of C? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Next one, we have B union C. What are the elements of B and C? We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, and 15. So that is how to find for the union of the given set. This time, we're going to discuss about intersection. When we say intersection, it is the common elements from the given sets. For example, we have given set A, set B, and set C. We're going to identify A intersection B. So you're going to look for the elements of A and B that are the same. So they have 10. So their common element is 10. That's why A intersection B is 10. Next, A intersection C. So you're going to find for the common element of A, C. There's no common element. That's why the given is empty set or null set. Next one, we have B intersection C. What elements that are common to letter B or set B and set C? We have 5 and 15. That's why B intersection C is 5 and 15. So that is the concept of set. I'm Miss Melanie Narag, your teacher for the day. Thank you for listening and have a nice day!